My uncle's house was broken into years ago while they were away on holiday, and the burglars had actually shit on the floor. Yeah, you heard that right. Not only had they tipped out every drawer and stolen everything, but my auntie and uncle were left to clean that up. You can ask the police too. This isn't a rare thing when it comes to burglars. These people are often high and they're often wired on drugs, and when they break in, they get a massive hit of adrenaline and it just makes them go. They've got zero respect for anyone's home. Believe me, that's not something you ever want to have to come back to after what should have been a great holiday. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop that from ever happening to you with my easy to follow 10-step holiday checklist. Let's go. Look, just because your alarm sets correctly and the sensors light up doesn't mean everything's working properly, and I see this all the time. Systems haven't been serviced in years and people just assume that they're fine. You might have a sensor that's failed and you wouldn't even know about it. So before you go away, do a full walk test on every single device that you've got, trigger them all, and make sure the app or the keypad are actually responding properly as well. While you're at it, do a bell test. Trigger the alarm fully and make sure your external sound is actually working. And look, if you're not on a maintenance plan, you can still call a local engineer to give it a once over if you're not confident doing it yourself. And if you don't have a system at all, get one. A proper security system like the Guardfather Security System is a visible deterrent before a burglar even touches your property. The flashing LED on the external sounder tells them the house is protected with a modern security system, and they'll usually just move on. It's linked below, it's DIY friendly, but we also now offer professional installation if you'd rather leave it to us. Right, on to number 2. One of the easiest ways to make your home look lived in is with lighting. Use smart plugs or smart bulbs to turn lamps on and off at set times. It's simple and you can just control them from your phone. And look, if you don't want to spend too much, you can use plug-in timers. They work great too. The key is all about variation on this. Don't have the same light come on at the same time every day. It's just too obvious. Make it look natural, like someone's moving around the house. On to number 3. And if you've watched the channel before, you would have known that this one was coming up. Check your outdoor lights. It sounds obvious, but loads of people don't. Through summer, they stop noticing when a bulb or an LED fails, and then come winter, the house is pitch black at night, which means a burglar can move around your home without being seen. Motion activated lights or dusk till dawn fittings are ideal for this. Even solar security lighting does have its place. It can do a great job. It's cheaper, it's easier to fit, and you don't need a professional installer. Don't discount them. They help deter intruders too, although I always lean towards mains run. Number 4, I love this one. Security stickers. Honestly, considering this one costs next to nothing, it's insane how well these work. Alarm stickers, CCTV warning signs, they make burglars panic. Even if your system isn't monitored, a sticker that says it is can just stop someone even trying in the first place. Put them on windows, gates, or next to doors and keep them at eye level. That's what burglars scan when they're casing a property. Number 5. Check your gates, fences, sheds and garages before you leave. Fit a padlock to any side gate that hasn't got one already. You don't want someone just strolling into your back garden. You need to make it so that if they want to get in, they have to climb, and that alone puts people off. And don't forget, a good lock also makes it harder for them to get out again. Burglars think about their exit strategy. They don't want to be climbing over a fence carrying stolen stuff. Lock your sheds and garages properly, because burglars often use your own tools to break into your own house. Keep anything that could smash a window out of reach if you can, like bricks, spades, and things like that. I had a customer once whose house was broken into. This was before they had the security system. The burglar picked up a loose brick from the garden and just launched it straight through the window. That's how fast it can happen. Number 6. Don't advertise that you're away. Never leave notes on your front door for delivery drivers like, please leave with next door, we're away until next Friday. You'd be amazed how many people still do that. And don't post your holiday pics if you can in real time on social media, especially if your social media is public. Save them for when you get back. If you've got any kind of following, even if it's just locally, it's not worth the risk. Burglars use social media too, and they look for easy clues when someone's away, so don't make it easy for them. But if you're gonna post, just switching to a private profile can make a big difference. So yeah, do that if you have to. Number 7. Friend or family property check. Have someone that you trust pop by every few days. They can check windows and doors and move a few things around, and they can collect your post, which is a big one. Post piling up is a dead giveaway that no one's home. Plus, you know, it's peace of mind knowing that someone's keeping an eye on the place. Just remember to give them the alarm codes or app access or a key fob, otherwise they'll be in panic when the siren's going off and they can't stop it. Number 8. Neighbour Cooperation. Oh, it's a little bit wonky. Tell one trusted neighbour that you're going away, just don't tell the whole street. Ask if they can move your bins or even park a car on your drive if you can while you're gone. Small signs of activity make a massive difference. Curtains open one day, bins move the next. It all makes the house look lived in. And honestly, a good neighbour is one of the best free security systems that you could ever have. On to number 9. CCTV and doorbell cameras. Don't just check the live view before you go. Make sure it's actually recording by checking the saved footage. Look at both day and nighttime footage to confirm that your infrareds are working and you're not blind when it's in the dark. You'd be shocked how many people's hard drives have failed without them even knowing. That's what stores your data and stores the recording. It can look fine on a live view, but if it's not recording, it's useless. Make sure the date and time are correct too. This is a big one. It's something that happens very often on CCTV systems, and if the police need the evidence, you want it to hold up in court. If your CCTV says 2 AM, but the break-in was at 5 PM, it just complicates everything. And if you've got a video doorbell, make sure it's charged and online. You want to be able to see and speak to anyone who's coming to your door while you're away. Number 10. Background noise and blinds. Look, ask the older generation on this. Leaving a radio on quietly is an old school trick, but it still works really well. Burglars sometimes listen through letterboxes to see if a house is silent. A little bit of background noise can make them think twice. Close blinds or shutter blinds for privacy so burglars can't see what's inside as well. But don't shut all your curtains tight because that screams no one's home. If someone's checking the place, get them to change it up now and again. Different blinds, different rooms. It makes a huge difference. If you go through those checks before heading away, you'll make your home 10 times harder to target, and most burglars will just move on to an easier one. Don't forget the Guardfather Security System's link below if you want to step up your own home security. And if you're unsure how to actually plan your own security setup and don't really know where to start, check out this video here where I walk you through exactly how to design your home security layout like a pro. See you there.